Welcome to Prestige Car Supermarket and this 2019 Range Rover Velar R-Dynamic HSE. This car has a lovely spec. Some of its key features include the Eiger Grey metallic paintwork, this fixed panoramic roof, the Meridian Surround Sound system, these 20-way electric front seats with memory for both the driver and the passenger, winged front headrests, this Ebony diamond perforated Windsor leather interior, rear privacy glass, a massage function for the front seats as well as them being heated and cooled, a heated steering wheel, park assist, and an electrically deployable tow bar. Now around the front of the car you can see you get these LED matrix headlights along with the grey, black and copper trims. The car sits on these 21-inch 10-spoke style 1033 alloys with the gloss black finish. And to the side of the car, you can see we get more of the copper and black trim, as well as gloss black trim around the windows and the R-Dynamic badging down below. And to the rear of the car, you can see you get features such as the LED tail lights, the chrome badging, the black trims and the silver trim as well. Now this car is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine making around 237 brake horsepower, and that power goes to all four wheels through this ZF 8HP automatic gearbox. Now moving on to the car's interior, you can see we've got features such as these electrically reclining rear seats, JLR's interactive driver display, this leather multifunction steering wheel with the chrome bezel and the satin chrome shift paddles, the Touch Pro Duo infotainment display, which here on the top screen you've got features such as Navigation Pro, DAB radio, Bluetooth and a reversing camera. And here on the secondary screen you've got the features such as the terrain response, the seat settings and the dual zone climate control. That's our 2019 Range Rover Velar R-Dynamic HSE.